Morning guys, today we're looking at Sainsbury's Scottish porridge oats. I got these because I couldn't get hold of Tesco's because of the lockdown, so I've got a couple of bags of these. So they're more or less the same as Tesco ones, virtually identical to be honest. So I'm making some porridge now. I've just added some milk, some UHT milk, some rock salt, a bit of rock salt, some water. I'm just going to let this boil up. I'll show you what it looks like. So there you go guys. I put some brown sugar on just as a treat, but it's a really nice porridge. I definitely recommend that. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll catch you soon. Bye for now.